Here's how I'd get myself out of a job that I absolutely hated. I would first get a mentor and I would go all in on one high income skill. Now, some of you might say, oh, but I don't have the time. So what it's called is 7 and 12. From 7 p.m. to 12, or if you finish at 3, it'd be from 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. at night, every single afternoon. You're getting after it like your life depends on it. And then of course you got Saturday and Sunday, where you can actually work on your side hustle, develop your high income skill, build that side hustle or that business and grow yourself. And if you're working every single day, 80 hours a week, which I really doubt most people are, you're just being lazy and you just need to get into it and cut out some of those distractions, then you need to have a look at changing your job to something that's casual, part-time, or getting into another job that's more flexible, that's full-time, where you can work from home, and make that choice. Because if it's sucking up your time, then you're going to feel drained and you're not going to take action on what you need to every single day to get out of that job as fast as possible. Make the sacrifice now, and you can get out of it quicker, and then you don't have to worry about that drain.